washing stuff last night. This morning I cleaned. Red word for me, note from heaven, is an E. Ermy, Ermy. It's attached. Red tip for Tina. I bet she was. You get a bet. Oh, snake head, loggerhead. C on C. Who that? Who carries that big old dick up there, man? You know what it. That looks like Mexico or a tornado full of water. That blue line. This is why we need blue skies, but it's so cool to fly home and fly into the brown haze. My name was over the state. NB 71, 91, 73. Forgot what year I was born. Not my name till after we're gone. Birthrights. This is what I fought for because we have this heart and soul. Brothers, my love you back more and more. See, Painter Man, Motella, badasses now. How about that? How about that, Mickey? Get your archive line. Elsie, how'd you do it? Well, I looked this way. There it was. And then I looked for an L. And there's an N. That's for God, Aleph. I should find an L. There's one. We'll count that. It's for Lisa. These are Texans, which is the Ellis Island of the West. How about that? That was what I counted as an L. I hope you can see this because I'm on a laptop computer. I take camera pictures well. And there's the fuckheads. Southwestern cattle raisers, not one behind that fence. They just steal from us. There's my green and the ivy. All the summers I spent with my papa right out here doing yard work. Abby Chapman. I called his son and asked for prayers where this war had begun. Now, the pergola, the new building they built for me. Why? One of your lookouts, Jerry Bandy? Jerry, my Bandy, we're going to have to talk. You're horrible with your hands. We're not talking anymore. Well, you're a little girl. Yes, you are. There's my yellow on it, my favorite color, and guess what that is? A star of us. This is why I like Hawaii. Low key. Low key. Everywhere. God's green planet. Canopy trees. Gotta have it. Bomb countries, they're useless to us now. To see Japan without canopies, my kids would have to go to only Fort Worth and see a recreation. Yours too. How? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. You feel it? The dance, Steve Harvey. The round and round off West 7th. Jewish girl Fred's. Her mom was on that. Her mom is dead. She's fish. No, she's widespread panic. Her mom is real dead kind. We can love them, but they're not here with us to share this and give them a hug back. For the things they give to us this day, all the days before, with us be after. There's another L right there. Car culture. Little strap on it like I do my 7s. Go see some chickens. This is where I used to feed the horses. There was our barn that we used for a clubhouse. There was another one there with all my grandpa's old Dairy Queen stuff, and there it is. My grandma would keep a bag of carrots, and when we would come over as kids, we would come to the backyard and feed the horse, feed it. He would gobble the carrots, his teeth showing, smiling, happy. Then this Mexican family moved in and they brought chickens. This is where I found that a dog and chicken animals can live together. They are his. My dogs would have eaten them. He could catch anything. He was a Jack Russell Terrier. Oh, that's a pretty big one. And this is where I saw they're Mexican. They've had trouble. I've had trouble with them because Rich moved them in. He's Greek. He's a bastard. And yesterday I walked out to find her and her daughter. She was braiding her hair. It felt like Indian on a pueblo, on a red. Then I drive up and down the street back and forth to get cigarettes. All I see are kids sit on the sidewalk 2x2, a couple of sets. Yesterday there was talk about that too. They did not look Mexican, they probably were, they don't care. It felt like Indians. My God, be aware. My bird sanctuary, where I stretch. You can call it what you want for ease, one word, 2 syllables. Burden, please. We got a red tag. Talked about that yesterday. And I found this yesterday too. You old sea hag. Look so wretched. Cut your tiff off. I'm going to have to teach you how to wear boots. Wretched. Wretched dead. Oh no. Not that kind. Not that kind, Scotty. Beam me up, Scotty. MTV, are you kidding me? Little House on the Prairie. Beverly Hills used to be so country. It's a small town. That's what I tell everybody. It's a bunch of good families. It's a small town crowd. That's how we like it. Crown Heights. I love you more than anything. We get by.